Alright guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So right in this video I will show you this Paxu airdrop that I promoted a few days ago on this channel. So currently I'll be showing you how new features has been added and also how you can get $100 for free as a member of this project. Alright, so I made a video that instructs you on guide on how to register, so you can actually go and register on this project right now. So once you've registered an account, I'm going to drop that first video guide that will show you step by step on how to get registered. Okay, you see that on this place we have a claim button added and we have connect wallet. Right, so if you mistakenly got registered without connecting your wallet, you can also do that once you log into your account. Okay, so recently they added the claim button here, so we can actually claim the airdrop. Okay, you see that airdrop is claimable on the launch date, so which is yet to be reviewed. All right, so you can also mint their NFT. They have added NFT minting handle here. Okay, so you can connect wallet and mint NFT as well, but this one will be talked about in the next video. So basically in this video I'll be showing you what you need to know and how you can get a lot of free earnings on this airdrop. Okay, so they are giving out $100 to each member who complete some few tasks. Okay, so here is the link to their Twitter and here is the link to their Telegram. So let's dive in to the Telegram and see what is there. Okay, so you'll be getting free $100 without any investment. Okay, so remember this is an airdrop like Catly, and Catly has been paying to people. Currently it's paying, so we'll be examining how we can utilize Paxu to earn a lot of money for ourselves. So people are getting paid for completing tasks on this airdrop. Okay, so you can see that the community has over 26,000 members currently. Okay, so you can see that they have 26,000 members, 28 rather, so they are making increase on daily basis. All right, so you can use for those who are finding it difficult to register or finding it difficult to see their balance, you can download Brave browser. Okay, so that is basically the best browser that will give you access to softly examine the website and also see your balance. Okay, so if you go to the pinned message, you see that they have pinned the message here that dear community members, okay, we would like to inform you that we'll be undergoing server migration. Okay, process to enhance the performance and scalability of our platform. This migration is essential to ensure a better user experience. So this is actually for those who were having glitches with the website. Okay, so in the meantime, they encourage you to stay connected with us on our social channel. So you just got to know this for those who have been getting worried about this project, how it got to show glitches. Okay, now you can see that when you scroll down, you see that there is a recent update here that you need to make referrals and then contact the customer service. All right, so guys, when you look right here, as I was saying, you see that people are getting paid to promote this website. Okay, so if you look right here, you see that this person got paid $100, okay, by the project. So you see that it's absolutely paying. And if you come right here, you see congratulations to our ambassadors. Okay, we would like to express our sincere appreciation to our dedicated ambassadors who have gone above and beyond to promote our project. So they are making a good move towards giving people opportunity to make money with this project. So what you do is to copy your referral link. Okay, I'll drop the referral link in the description of this video. Register and then copy your referral link from your dashboard, then share on social media and give people access to register and gain benefit from this project as well. So once you have up to 50 referrals, okay, you are going to send a message to the customer service that I'm dropping the contact link in the description of this video as well. So you send your account details, send your account website page, okay, so the account page you registered and the email. So once you drop it with the customer service, he will examine and give you a feedback. So they are going to send you $50 to your Binance account or Trust Wallet, okay. So that's basically how it works currently, and you can't afford to miss out of this project, guys. So it's very important you do not miss out of this project. So if you're finding it hard, make sure you check out on the video in the description of this video. The link will be there. Click on the link there, it will take you to the previous video to help you watch step-by-step guide. I showed you how to get registered successfully, okay. That's basically what it is. So it's even automated that once you have 50 referrals, they are going to send you a mail. So they're going to send you a mail that will give you access to notice that they have recommended your promotion, okay. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video.